All right, what's up YouTube? I am here on the vlog and we're just running through a quick collaboration here. I'm here with Supercarbaldee. He's a fellow musician and collaborator.
What's up, guys?
He's also the GM of a brand new brand, and that's gonna be Polestar. It's an all-electric vehicle by Volvo, and it's kind of in the Tesla competitor range. So why don't we take a look in our brand new showroom here and David can show us around.
Let's do it. So here we are in Corte Madera, the Village Mall, and we're featuring two cars today. We have our hybrid, our flagship vehicle. Our Polestar 1 is going to be limited to less than 500 units in the US. Super exclusive, over 600 horsepower. We're super excited about that. And then our newest car is our fully battery electric Polestar 2. Take a look at that. This car has a range of 233 miles. It's the first car in the world to have Google build its infotainment system. It can tow 2,000 pounds. It supports up to 400 pounds on the roof. And you can just plug it in at home. How cool is that?
I will say that there are some really nice new trick features in here. The Google is going to be one of them. You can actually put in your Gmail account and it will route all of your profile settings, your contacts, your calendar, everything directly to your nav. It's a pretty nice system. Seats are going to be by Volvo. They're going to be the best in the business, so you can't get any better than the Swedish design of these seats. And as you look around, you can see that there's just kind of unique stylings. It's none of the hard plastics. It's all going to be a very new and neutral styling. Great sound system. You can't go wrong with this car, and it is certainly in the Tesla competitor range.
Let's take a look at how much space is in the car. Ton of load space in there. The one thing that's nice about having an EV is that you have nothing but space in here, and even beneath here, there's extra space for you to use.
Now, David, I know that some electric vehicles are built on a different platform. Is this a purely electric platform, or is this built on something else?
So this platform is actually shared with the Volvo XC40.
Okay.
Yeah, so, something that's really great about Polestar having, Volvo behind it is that it's a new brand, but it has 90 years of automotive history behind it.
Okay.
So, I mean, how exciting is that to know that, you have a new car, but, if you have anything that goes wrong, you can just bring it to your local Volvo store.
I know that some of the, we'll say, competitors in this segment have some build quality issues. I'm assuming that because this is Volvo, we're not going to have that problem.
No, yeah. This car, it's built in LEED certified factories across the world. And the fit and finish, the build quality is something that's very, very important for Polestar. And you'll find that if you come to visit us here in Corte Madera, you'll find that this car is fantastic. The use of materials, the real leather that's in here, the recycled wood that we'll find across the front. Overall, it's beautiful. We're really, really happy with the product that Polestar has presented to us.
And can they come down and test drive these here in Corte Madera and Marin?
Oh yeah, you can come down to test drive anytime. We're open 7 days a week. Essentially 11 to 7. We're doing our test drive between 11 and 6. So yeah, if you come in, we're right by the Amazon store in Williams-Sonoma. Visit us and we're happy to show you the beautiful car.
One of the coolest new things about Polestar and this brand new company and brand new brand and brand new way of selling cars is the configurator. And that's what you see here on this table. This is called the Atelier table. And as David will be able to demonstrate, as you take pieces, it's the colors and the types of leather, and you can mix and match your own style and design here, and it'll show up on the actual table. So David, if you could.
It's really, really awesome because it brings life to the car that you're configuring. Everything that Polestar offers is custom ordered, so you'll be ordering a car just for you. So we like to bring our customers over to the table. They can select a color combination if they like, maybe an interior combination. But let me show you really quickly how it works. So we go to the Atelier table. We're going to use the Polestar 2. So we're going to press the Polestar 2. Right now it's showing a white car. Let's say I want to do a black car instead. Let's put it right here. And there it changes to midnight. Let's say I wanted to add maybe the sport package. Go ahead and put that right there. And now I have the sport wheels, the Brembo brakes, and everything.
And that also gets you the fancy yellow seatbelt, correct?
That's right.
All right.
Yeah. I can even change the interior color as well. And then I'll get that set up for us. And then we can just come over here. We can scroll, it shows us all of our pricing and everything. It shows us that the estimated delivery of our order, which will be late February.
I don't even have to ask.
You don't have to ask, everything you should need right there. So Polestar made really, really cool tech, which partners up with a really cool car to make ordering really easy.
What's the charging rate on these, or what's the charger on them? Is it up to the 50 kilowatt
It
DC
does,
fast charge?
it charges up to 48 kilowatts in the car. We have an exclusive partnership with ChargePoint. That's our preferred vendor for our charging vehicles, but you can really charge it with whether it be ChargePoint, Volta, EVgo, Electrify America, all those things you just see out there.
All right, folks, so that was a quick little tour of our Polestar showroom here in the Marin County, California. If you guys are interested in coming and test driving a vehicle, come down and see the general manager, David, also known as Supercarbaldee. Check out his channel. I'll leave a link in the description below. And yeah, more vlogging coming on all things car, auto, DIY, and tech related.